How to earn $5,000 with $100 within 1 month? Bitflow A platform can assist you to realize it only by completing the following 3 points. 1. Prepare $100 Bitcoins. 2. Recommend 2 friends who really devoted to work. 3. Add 2 friends in replicating layer by layer. As long as you support more, you get more benefits. It's such a simple and free platform for wealth. Bitflow is a global law society and social financial network, which is not a company, organization, or any other commercial institution. The domain name of Bitflow platform is bitflow.org, a long-standing platform based on blockchain technology. The transaction between the platform participants is point-to-point, where the mutual assistance between the helper and the helped are based on their own free will, as well as accounts transfer and direct payment. Whether to help others is personal behavior. Without fund pool and manipulator, the platform operates freely, thus no promise or guarantee to be offered. Bitflow. Bitflow encourages participants to offer mutual material support, thereby gradually changing financial freedom among the peoples of modern world. Different from charities providing assistance to the people in distress, the assistance in Bitflow system is reciprocal, in which we help each other and one person offers assistance to another, opening up a new, more human and more impartial society. More help, more happiness.
I'm Brittany, and after graduating from the university with a first-class upper, getting a job became a problem for me. On my 30th birthday, someone offered me a small teaching job, and eventually it took all of my time. I did end up marrying someone that I love, but my lack of contribution to financial issues almost crippled my marriage. The worst time was actually when my husband lost his job, and the sole responsibility of providing for the family was on me. Attending one of our old student meetings, I actually met one of my former classmates, an old alumni, who was already big into internet marketing, big time. She shared with me about Bitflow and immediately made me a referral of the program. I basically just followed in her footsteps. I referred 2 people, made the $100 deposit, and I was on my way. At 1 month of following Bitflow, I will confess that it is the best program I have ever heard of on earth. My hubby and I own our own physical business from the profit we made from Bitflow. And on the side, we now enjoy vacations, birthdays, holidays, all kinds of things. And that's all thanks to the financial security that Bitflow has provided.
Hello, my name is Peter. You know, as a taxi driver, it's amazing that a taxi driver can find, a sustainable financial security program that actually works. I've been a taxi driver now for over 20 years. I've got 5 children, a wife, a large family as well. Everything that a family needs, totally relies on my taxi job as well. It pays for everything pretty much. I've been looking for, something that can, help secure my financial future, and as I was just driving along, to go pick up one of my regulars, right next to where a breakfast was served. I found some university students, talking about an investment program. So, I was just out of curiosity, I was just listening to what they had to say. And I heard them talking about this really awesome product, not a product, but it's like a service where you can, basically you can get taxi work, basically. So, I asked them if I could join the program. The students introduced me. And the program is Bitflow. I've made me a referral on the spot pretty much. I invested quite a bit of time into the program, and it's really paying off. The workflow is really coming in. It's helping me secure my financial future now. So I have to highly recommend this to any taxi drivers out there that are looking for extra work.
Hi, I am Sarah Thorne, and as an SEO expert, I like investing my time and resources on productive online programs. My businesses have actually been doing really well online. However, something happened after I was browsing some investment programs. Of all the programs I researched and tested, Bitflow is the best that I found for me to invest my time and resources in. It actually only took me about 3 days to understand how the program works. I first tried the program out by depositing $100 and referring 2 more people. To my surprise, BitFlow is actually doing better than most of my other online businesses. It's actually boosting my online earning potential and allowing me to live a more luxurious life. Now I am investing even more funds into this BitFlow program, and I am encouraging others to do the same. It truly is something quite special.
I am Greg. Affiliate marketing has been my focus for 8 years. At first, I was struggling with how to make money using affiliate marketing. As life continues, I began to grab the necessary items to make a better affiliate marketer. I joined several affiliate programs and currently living from the money I make with these programs. My close pal that is in the same business with him told me of BitFlow. The first time I thought it was another Ponzi and make rich platform, Following the platform with my first $100, I wanted to see if it works. I moved on to invite 2 friends and follow the program for 4 months. Boom! The program has helped to boost my affiliate earning beyond my anticipation. I am more devoted to BitFlow now than any affiliate program. I would for sure recommend this to my affiliate marketer to improve your online financial earning.
I'm a single mom of 3 beautiful, strong girls. As a lecturer in the University of Belgium, I can handle what my children need in life. Paying school fees and clothing are not my problem. Besides, I love looking for the other ways to boost my earning potential to help my kids. In the lecturer seating department, we like sharing knowledge about completing a lecture. One day, a lecturer from the humanities department stumbled on the platform that promises to improve people's earning potential. It was like the lecturer is speaking my language. I hoped to get more information about the program, and it was BitFlow. In my leisure time, I created an account on BitFlow and did as the program required. After depositing $100, I tried to refer to the other 2 people. Every day, I tried to spend time and more money into the program. In the 6 months, BitFlow has improved my earning potential. On my social media platforms, you will see my guiding people over it for helping them for a better future and life.
I'm a mechanic by profession and do not know much about internet marketing. I dropped out due to a lack of financial support from the high school. My family background needs you to struggle with the T before even existing in this life. I supported myself to go to a technical school near my suburb to have a trade. At 42, I'm not yet financially balanced. With 3 kids, my wife and my parents, I have to work other jobs just to put food on the table of my family. As I was repairing the car of my client, I saw the vehicle owner with a computer. I tried to approach him and ask what a laptop can do for someone. The car owner now explained to me about a new program called BitFlow. He helped me understand the program and I invested some money on BitFlow. I told other mechanics about this opportunity and waited for 2 months. I am now the boss of myself and my family is free from monetary troubles. This thing truly rocks.